What's up, everyone? Back with a change-up video. Today was 50 Cent Sonic Corn Dog Day, and I haven't hardly ate anything all day. I've only ate maybe about 1,000 calories, but that's about to change because today we're doing a 10 corn dog eating challenge. Not really a big challenge necessarily, but I mean, each corn dog has like 280 calories, 6 or 8 grams of protein. I forget how many carbs, how many fats, but a whole lot of everything. So take that times 10. We're looking at roughly 2,800 to 3,000 calories. A whole lot of fat, really, and quite a bit of protein. So let's get right to it. I love Sonic's corn dogs. They taste like the ones at the state fair. These motherfuckers are hot too. But yeah, I like their corn dogs the most because they just remind me of like state fair, or not state fair, but like any fair really, or carnival corn dogs. They just taste so good. Sorry about the lighting, by the way. It's just getting dark out here, so I tried to pull under a light, but it didn't hardly help for worth a fuck. So I had to go ahead and put it on. Man, these are really hot. But yeah, I mean, let's see. I went to Complete Nutrition yesterday. One down. And got my InBody test again. Got me a nice cherry limeade to wash this shit down. Got my InBody test done because I hadn't gotten one in about 3 weeks. Usually get one between 3 to 4 weeks, somewhere in there. And I was surprised because I gained 7 pounds in about 4 weeks, 3 weeks. So first I was like, awesome. But then damn thing started measuring my body fat. All bad. I put on 3% body fat in 3 weeks. Keep in mind, 3 weeks ago I started my overnight job. Coincidence? Number 2. So I know my eating patterns changed a little since I started overnight, because like I have a whole nother meal around 4 o'clock in the morning that I never had. And to be honest, those meals are shit. They're not even really meals. We're talking brownies, chips, just like hardly ever any real food. Sometimes I'll take in leftovers from dinner that night, but never really good food. So what I started doing last night, I took in some little grape tomatoes, some strawberries, what the hell else? Took in some ham too. And that was it. There wasn't a lot, but I mean, I'm just gonna have to cut back, I think, because something ain't right there, and that's the only thing I can figure. But I am up to 180 pounds, almost 181 pounds now. So, starting to fill in quite a bit. But I'm now at 11% body fat, about the most body fat I've ever had, at least since I started this journey. So that's not good. But 11% body fat, number 3. 11% body fat's not bad at all. I mean, no. I mean, I was kind of pissed off, yeah, because I want to stay under 10%. But really, it's hard as hell to stay under 10% all year round. I mean, you got to be in such tune with your body. It's insane. And 11% is not bad at all. At all. If you're a man and you're under 15%, you throw some muscle on your body, you're going to be fucking shredded. And women, it's kind of different. I'd say for women, your target should be like what? I think around 27% body fat. 25. I mean, you can go lower, but I know it's a total different ball game. Number 4. I can't lie, this is usually when I stop. Because, fuck, 4 corn dogs, that's what? Roughly 1,200 calories. 24 to 30 grams of protein. I think it was 90 carbs per corn dog, if I remember right. Which is fucking crazy. Damn cherry limeades make my stomach hurt sometimes. It's because of all that carbonation. Snapchat's blowing the fuck up while I'm shooting this video, because I literally posted on my Snapchat right before shooting this video that I was doing a corn dog eating challenge for YouTube. Took a picture of all the corn dogs in there. People are probably like, man, you fucking crazy. Fuck. They're right. Crazy as fuck. Fuck around and have a heart attack in this bitch. Mexican restaurant right across the street from me. Bitch is popping. Fuck. This shit's hard as fuck. Oh, fuck. I'm starting to bloat. That's number 5. Fuck. Look how tiny these damn little wrappers are if they put these corn dogs in. Super small. That's number 5. Halftime. 5 out of 10. Did that in 9 minutes, roughly. Actually, about 8. Because first minute of this video was all that bullshit at the beginning. Oh, fuck. So I was eating about a corn dog every, what, minute and a half, somewhere around there. Can't lie, I'm fucking full. Making room. I've never done an eating challenge. I just realized that. I thought about it a lot. Thought about doing some, but Never really got around to it. This motherfucker's already, they put so much ice in these motherfuckers, man. I meant to tell them light on the ice. Man, been making so many fucking gains. That's what I'm telling you guys, man. All you gotta do is put in the work, follow a diet. I hate the word diet, because diets never last. Follow a plan for your meals. Doesn't have to be strict, especially if you're a fucking hard gainer, ectomorph, whatever you want to call yourself. You do not really have to, I mean, you shouldn't just go eat like a fucking idiot, but you can damn near eat anything. Your ass already isn't hardly gaining weight, so I mean, why would you calorie restrict yourself, protein restrict, anything? Why would you restrict yourself at all when you're already having trouble putting on weight? That's just how I see it, and from watching other similar channels, I mean, we all tend to lean towards the same shit. I mean, hell, if you watch the Hodge twins or Andrew Diaz, like, they all say the same thing: eat whatever the fuck you want to eat whenever you're a hard gainer, because I mean, it's not gonna last. I mean, our damn metabolisms are gonna slow down at some point, so I mean, we might as well enjoy this shit now. I mean, when I first started working out, I was trying to eat healthy shit, and I mean, I wasn't putting on shit. I'd say my first month was a bunch of bullshit. Bitch was looking in here. I wish she would come over here. But like I was saying, just eat and make sure. The only thing you should really focus on whenever you're a hard gainer, how many calories you're getting. I mean, you should focus on your proteins and shit too, your macros, your proteins, carbs, fats. Fats, not so much. I mean, just don't get them out of control, because then obviously your body fat's gonna go up and shit, and then you're kind of spinning your wheels. And you're gonna be on dirty bulk more than anything. But I mean, to be honest, I mostly just focus on calories, protein, sometimes carbs, but, and I wouldn't say sometimes, I would probably say 50-75% of the time I look at my carbs. But I mean, I'm not like religious about it. Like, as long as I get my protein and my calories, everything else tends to trickle. Fucking hiccups and burps. Everything else tends to just fall into place. Because, I mean, I don't eat super fucking bad. Like, I mean, I eat whatever the fuck I want, but I don't just fucking eat Pop-Tarts and Debbie cakes and all this other bullshit. I mean, I still eat pretty good. Some grilled chicken, salmon, all that good shit. Corn dogs. They probably think I look weird as fuck just sitting in here eating corn dogs in an empty ass parking lot. Fuck. God damn it. This is getting hard. This is number 6. She brought a water with me. Shit. If I don't finish, I'm gonna be a little bitch. These damn things don't even taste cooked though. Some of them, like the breads also. Look at the bread on that bitch. Come on, camera. Focus. Fucking bread soggy as shit. I mean, it's not because they've been sitting forever or anything, because I literally got them ran across the street here, this parking lot. Shot the video. And that, my friends, is number 6. Oh, fuck. So let's see, number 6, that's what then? 1,200? About 1,700 calories so far. Not to mention the calories from this bullshit. That's not a good sound. Fuck. So I'm at roughly 1,800 calories probably so far with that drink. 6 times 8, I'm at about 48 grams of protein. And if it was, I think it was 92 grams of fat and 75 grams of carbs. Yeah, that's what I think it was. Whole lot of fat. Maybe the two are switched, but one of them's 92 and 175, I remember. So I think the carbs was 75, if I remember right. Because I was like, fuck, it got more fat than carbs. That's crazy. But, so let's see, 75 carbs each hot dog. Fuck. No, that can't be right. There ain't no goddamn way there's 75 carbs per corn dog. There just ain't no way. And only 8 grams protein? No, there ain't no way. I need to get a video camera so I can look this shit up on my phone instead of trying to remember shit, or at least write shit down so I don't have to try to remember, because I literally searched it while I was in the drive-thru. This video is already fucking 17 minutes. Probably gonna speed this shit up while I'm eating. I'm just gonna fucking fast forward it. What was I talking about though? With being an ectomorph. I mean, yeah, like I said, just count your calories, eat in a surplus, obviously. Like my basal metabolic rate or some shit. Pretty much if I were to lay in bed and not do shit all day, I'd burn 2,000 calories naturally. So that on top of my like walking calories burned and shit that you can track on an iPhone or whatever phone you have, step counter, whatever, that, and then working out the gym, I burn roughly 2,500 to 3,000 calories a day. So therefore, I eat roughly 3,500 calories a day. Sometimes more, sometimes less. I mean, like I said, I'm not restricting myself. As long as I'm eating in a surplus, and I know I'm in a surplus, like I'll check my phone to make sure that I burned a certain amount of calories. That way I'm not eating in 1,000 calories surplus or anything crazy like that. I mean, you can, but you're gonna put on some fat like I have this last fucking month, obviously. What the fuck you looking at? I told you, people be thinking you crazy as fuck when you're shooting videos. They be acting like they ain't never seen a goddamn video camera before. And they ain't even a video camera, it's just a phone, but still. Motherfuckers be looking at you like, you driving down the road just like, fuck. Don't be mad because I'm out here trying to do my thing. Fuck. I'm not bitching out after number 6. Should've brought my creatine. Need to take that shit. Look at that. Fuck. Goddamn shoulders. Fuck. I'm making some gains. Fuck. I'm not gonna bullshit y'all. When you first start going to the gym, it's gonna fucking suck. It took me about 2 weeks at least to really start liking going to the gym, I guess you could say. 2 to 4, maybe even 4 weeks, close to a damn month. Because that first week, maybe even 2, depending on how old you are and whatnot, because obviously your body's going to hurt and take longer to recover. My first week and a half, sore as fuck. But I also didn't know what the hell I was doing, because I just jumped in the gym, newbie, never been in the gym before, never even touched weights other than in high school for like, 1 semester of PE or whatever. But I just hopped in there and was doing full body workouts, balls to the walls, maxing out shit for a month straight, and I was just sore all the fucking time. Then I started developing some tendonitis, or I don't even know if you want to call it tendonitis, a damn near carpal tunnel in my goddamn forearms from doing so many fucking curls. I was a curl monkey because I was trying to build biceps because I was getting sick of fucking having little ass arms, and I still think my arms are small, to be honest. But I mean, when I look at my pictures from the past, I can tell that I've been putting on some muscle now. But yeah, I was a goddamn curl monkey for the longest, just thinking the more that I hit it, the more it's gonna break down. The more I build that bitch up with eating protein, taking protein and whatnot, that bitch is gonna get huge, get some Popeye arms. Not how it works, obviously. So then I started doing my research, and thankfully started my 3-day split, and that has changed my life. But even if you start out with 3-day split, you're still gonna be sore as fuck the first week or 2, maybe even more. If you're doing it right and taking enough rest, you should only really ache at the max 2 weeks. Then after that, it becomes an addiction. Because after about, I'd say 4 to 8 weeks, you'll start noticing some changes. I don't know why I curled that up, but fuck, guys, I don't know. I'm supposed to eat 3 more after this? Fuck. I'm struggling with every bite. And I almost did 15. I've been on my goddamn mind. You know how fucking sick I'd be if I ate 15 corn dogs? It took me so long to eat that fucking bite. I'm getting goddamn corn dog sweats. Fuck. I love limes. I always get cherry lemonade just because I want to get the limes and the cherries. Ever since I was a little boy. Sorry about that, guys. Had a fucking friend call me. And that shit lasted forever. I was like, fuck, dude, my goddamn corn dog's about to be needing to be microwaved in this bitch by the time we get off this conversation. So I said, fuck it, I'm just gonna start eating them. And now I got half a corn dog left. I honestly don't know if I can do this. I'm at 9.5 corn dogs. And if y'all think I'm bullshitting, I'm literally in the same fucking spot. Have not moved. There's no, I'll fucking scan the camera around here in a sec. There's no fucking trash cans anywhere for me to throw in these fucking corn dogs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and obviously 10 is right here. But fuck, I feel sick as fuck. All I got left is a little bit of fucking ice. Fuck. Using my ice wisely. Man, if people don't stop calling me during videos. Fuck. Man. Fuck it, I'm about to just go balls deep on this shit. One more bite. I know motherfuckers still gonna be talking shit, thinking I didn't eat all these damn corn dogs. That's just how YouTube is. Ugh. Ugh. I'm pretty sure I never ate this much in my life at one time. Ugh. Fuck. It was so hard to swallow that. Fucking traffic going through here. Finally. Fuck. Only took me damn near a fucking hour, but we did it. 10 corn dogs. If I did 15, I'd been so fucked. There'd be no way, dude. I hope you all enjoyed watching me fucking damn near kill myself. No, it's all good. It's all fun and games. Obviously, I do not eat like this all the time, or else it would have been a hell of a lot easier. Just a quick recap. We got about 2,800, 3,000 calories. We got around, 80 grams of protein, or 60. It was either 6 or 8. I think it was 8. So 80 grams of protein. Shit ton of carbs and a shit ton of fats. And who the fuck knows everything else. So, time to go get my creatine, get this shit into my goddamn blood, into the muscles, and then go to work at midnight. I'm gonna sleep good tonight. Fuck. I only got like 2 hours till I go to work now. Fucking great. But hope y'all like this video. It was a change of pace. If you like it, definitely be sure to give it a thumbs up. Greatly appreciate it. If you all have any other restaurants that you think I should go try to do eating challenges at, let me know in the comments below. I think the next challenge I'm going to do is going to be either at McDonald's or Taco Bell. Just depends on how I'm feeling. But I'm not going to let you all know what the food is, because that would just ruin the surprise. But if you're new to the channel, definitely be sure to hit that subscribe button below. And definitely be sure to hit the little, I think there's like a bell now or something where you can get notifications when I upload. So definitely be sure to go ahead and hit that as well. And I hope you all like this video. And again, keep on making your gains, and I'll see you guys soon.